Good afternoon to everyone. This is The Power of Healing with Utabi Ungowekethelo. So this afternoon, it's Friday, Sichilexile. Let's speak relationship ties. Let's speak breakups. So, guys, you'll hear a lot of people, athi umuntu yo gogo angikwazi ukumkhohlwa lo muntu sidala sahlukana akakhohlweki. Or omunye une problem yokuthi gogo, whenever I think about him ngiyalunywa ngaphansi, right? Endaweni yangasese ngiyalunywa ama-private parts wami. Mangeke ngamcabanga nje dala sahlukana, but mangeke ngamcabanga nje ngiyalunywa. Or you understand? Gogo mangiceda ukulala nomuntu wami ngiyalunywa ngaphansi. And then bese kuba khona abantu besilisa bathi hey gogo mangeke ngamcabanga lo muntu wesifazane ngangizwana naye into yami ayisavuki ayisavuki, like the way my manhood affectekile, angazi kwenzakalani. Angithi guys isihlale sithi thina izinto zama relationships spiritual, angithi isihlale sisho njalo. Okay, fine. So ugogo ngoba ke uhlala niplaka thinginisizeni namhlanje ngiyanisiza ke namhlanje. Kuna this thing ekuthiwa imwenje salt. Kuna this thing ekuthiwa imwenje salt. Right? Now what? So umwenje salt, guys, is for cleansing, for breakup, to ease your mind, and also ne situation where uyalunywa or kwenzeka lezo zinto. But now let me explain the colors. Lo enguphethe ne guys, lo enguphethe mawubheka ubovu ne, kube khona ublack, kube khona uyellow. Ziningi ama colors mixed, but I want us to focus on the black, the yellow, and this lobovu. Lo guys, if you are going through a breakup and you just want to cleanse, to release whoever from your mind, ungasebenzisa lo nalo o yellow. I wanna explain lo black. Ungasebenzisa lo mwenje salt. O yellow, right? Lo o black, guys, if kune situation where uyalunywa, if kune situation where uya ilento your manhood ayisavuki, lo black, right? Now mawusebenzisa umwenje, this is what I want you guys to do. Ekseni ngo-6 uyahamba uyogeza ngawo ngaphandle ngamanzi abandayo, uyawumixa namanzi abandayo uyogeza ngawo ngaphandle ekseni ngo-6. You do not touch anyone, a woman or a man, until the following day ngo-6 p.m. Right? Awusebenzisa umwenje uleli nomuntu. So you have to be clean for 72 hours. Usebenzise 6 a.m. ungagezi until the following day 6 p.m. Nangizwa ngithi now ngamanzi abandayo. Now ngisengikhulumela labantu abanama severe cases, but wonke umuntu, if you want to untie ama relationship ties, right? If you want to untie whatever, or relationship or breakup or whatever, uyazicleansa ne, the way ngisho ngakhona 6 a.m. zozugeze the following day 6 p.m. awusebenzisa uleli nomuntu omunye, because uzoyenza ama prayers, angithi uzoyenza ama prayers esugeza, uzoyenza ilento i-declaration. Yeah, I think that's the correct word. Uzoyenza i-declaration of into ofuna yenzeke. We're not binding anyone. Awuzukubamba umuntu ngayo, awuzukuthi iswasho sokuthi umuntu angangishicha. Mina ngintshela ngomuntu oku break up nomuntu onama relationship ties, past relationship ties, nomuntu affectayo affecteka ama private parts. Lo black ulo walaba abalunywayo naba affectekayo. Guys, konje bengifuna ukuthini na? Umwenje is one thing ne. Guys, asiyekeni ukubophana. Ngoba eminye imimoya guys, ezinye izinto umuntu usuka asebenzisa izinto zakhe and then alale nawe. And then another thing, senginisizela nje if into bekufuna ukisho. Mawuthi usebenzisile umwenje, you followed my instructions. And ay gogo ngisalunywa mina gogo hayi asabe asiyo sowudinga mina ke wena. Yabona? Sowudinga mina. Sowudinga ezami izandla. Ne? So ningathi anginiplaki. Ne? Akekho umuntu engifuna ukumbona futhi ku TikTok alibakhaliswa i-break up after this video, but you know angithi ukuthi bona abangani bami kuphela. Akekho umuntu engiphinde ngifuna ukumbona khala athi mina ngikhona ukumkhohlwa. Saxabana.